Open the cover of the grill body. Place 4 pieces of grill heating plates inside the grill body. Place the warming rack in position. Place the 2 grills in the frying pan in position. Slide the oil drip pan underneath the grill body. The oil drip pan can only be fixed by inserting it into the guide rail. Your gas grill is now ready for use. Close the cover when not in use. Attach the regulator to the cylinder valve outlet by turning the black coupling nut clockwise, and hand tighten securely. Note: make sure the cylinder valve is turned clockwise to the closed position. Press and hold the ignition control knob, push it fully in, and turn anti-close to the high position. Turn the ignition control knob anti-close to low position to decrease the fire. Clockwise to high position to increase the fire. Push in the ignition control knob and turn to off position to turn off the fire. When the gas grill is not used, it should be covered with a rain cover to prevent the product from oxidation caused by exposure to both sun and drain.